It is shocking to see of the summoning of the 10th session of the 8th Legislative Assembly and the budget session that had to be for a minimum 18 days is summoned only for 15 days. As per the rules and procedure, Rule 258 and 259, 258 states that there has to be a debate for 3 days on the annual financial statement on the reply to the budget, and 259 states that for the demands for grants, a minimum of 15 days have to be taken into to make sure that issues are highlighted. But आज दुख म्हाका जाता. It looks like this BJP government headed by the Chief Minister is scared to face the opposition. They are scared of being exposed on assurances, on false assurances given to us during the last several assemblies. Aaj, what we look at is centralization of powers by the Chief Minister. Nowhere in the country, or I'm not sure if any Chief Minister in Goa is having almost 28 portfolios, which is 55% of the demand for grants. It is 43% of the total portfolios. If you look at this, it is basically centralization of powers. This seems to be the dictates, and the custodian of the house, the speaker, is doing nothing about it. This is shocking. This is a murder of democracy. I do not know why Business Advisory Committee nami sodan uloita about several issues, and the last time we were promised of 21 days would be taken, and the Chief Minister is on record. The Speaker was also on record that the next session would be 21 days. But what is failing? Today the administration has failed, law and order situation has failed, corruption, charges of corruption by the ministers, MLAs on the ruling. It is a complete failure. Goa is turning into a banana republic. So we, first of all, JS session getla of only 15 days is not in the interest of the state. This is not what democracy stands for. This is a murder of democracy. And we will speak on several issues and make sure that this government is exposed on all the fronts in the coming assembly session.